Hello guys, we got another day of rail fanning on a very beautiful day. And we got a CSX train on its way, and we will have some trains and fans on the way, and we will show my dog Marty. I'll pause this video and I will pause it until this train will be here. And thank you for all the support that I got for almost 100 subscribers now. Almost 100 subscribers. Keep it up. Now let me start my video of the train. Here is the CSX train intermodal CSX train. So everybody, here is the CSX intermodal, and here it comes. Okay guys, here's our CSX intermodal now, and here he comes. Yeah, you're rail fanning today. Yes, you're rail fanning, guy. Post it on YouTube. Here's our CSX. Yes, sir. And then 3605, 1027. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 49. All right. There was our NS in the model, and there goes the gates. We got a one Marty fan here. Come, there it goes. Here she is. Here. And I'm taking a video of Marty right now. Hi, Marty. Hi, Marty.